Welcome back to my channel Yatra with Arpita. Today we are on our way to the Rajbari Bawali, which is the best heritage hotel near Kolkata. Kolkata to Bawali Rajbari is approximately 36 kilometers, which takes around 1 hour and 30 minutes from Kolkata. I received a traditional Bengali welcome at the palace. We felt the grace of the zamindars of Bengal came alive before us the moment we stepped into the palace. As we entered the luxurious room of Rajbari Bawali, the signature royal features and supreme comforts left us mesmerized. There are 5 categories of rooms: Classic Heritage, Notun Bari, Zamindari Suite, Royal Suite, and Dak Bungalow. This is how a deluxe room looks like. As you can see the glimpses of the film posters across the room, let me tell you that the film Chokher Bali, directed by the very famous filmmaker Rituparno Ghosh, was shot at the premises of the Rajbari. The film featured Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Raima Sen, Prosenjit Chatterjee, and many other notable actors. The Netflix release Bulbul was also shot at the Rajbari Bawali. Monsoon at the Rajbari Bawali was a beautiful gift from Mother Nature. This is the way to the swimming pool. They created an authentic heritage style living for the guests, complemented with sophisticated comfort and luxury. The tantalizing food and beverages at the piano room will be a treat for taste buds like us. Breakfast generally gets included in the package. The veg and non-veg thali was approximately rupees 1200 plus taxes. Evening Aarti was a delicate spiritual touch which transcended our feelings and emotions to a whole new level. Wonderful ambience and decoration at the rooftop cafe is a place where you can relax after a stressful daytime. For dinner, I ordered a risotto, which was made with mushroom. It was really delicious.
फिर एक नई सुबह बवाली राजबाड़ी।
the restaurant, we got the taste of various cuisines with each ingredients with a special Mughal, British, Portuguese, Armenians, Jews and Bangladesh's touch. The Veranda Bar was a special attraction. The Rajbari Bawali is a 300 years old boutique heritage property that has been elegantly turned into the best luxury heritage resort near Kolkata. These are the extended bungalows of the Rajbari that you have to book separately. If you like the video, do share your valuable comments and do subscribe to my channel.